If your iPhone alarm isn't making any sound on iOS 27, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the most effective ways to fix it. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is your alarm volume. On iOS 27, Apple added a dedicated Alarms and Timers section under Sounds and Haptics. Open the Settings app. Tap Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to the new Alarms and Timers section. Here, you'll see the Match Ringtone volume toggle. If this toggle is enabled, the alarm and timer's volume slider disappears because your alarms use the same volume as your ringtone. To control your alarm volume separately, turn Match Ringtone volume off. Now the alarm and timer's volume slider appears. Drag the slider all the way to the right for maximum alarm volume. You'll also notice a message below the slider explaining that this setting does not affect wake-up alarms or any alarms that have their own independent volume controls. Next, check your alarm sound. Open the Clock app. Tap the Alarms tab. Select your alarm. Tap Sound. Make sure it isn't set to None. Choose any built-in ringtone or your favorite custom alarm sound. Now let's check another important setting. Go to Settings. Open Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down and turn off Attention-Aware features. Sometimes, if your iPhone thinks you're looking at the screen, it automatically lowers the alarm volume. Disabling this feature can fix that issue. Also, before going to bed, disconnect any Bluetooth devices like AirPods, Bluetooth speakers, or your car's audio system. Sometimes the alarm may try to play through a connected Bluetooth device instead of your iPhone's speaker. If your alarm is still silent, try deleting the alarm completely. Restart your iPhone. Then create a brand new alarm. Finally, if nothing else works, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This clears temporary software glitches that may prevent alarms from working correctly. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed your iPhone alarm on iOS 27. If it did, let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more iPhone tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest iOS 27 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.